Yes, Moleni namgelekile nonke kwezi Chisave Entertainment. Guys, Saturday bekuyi-Valentine's ke sana. Obviously thina ke esithanda uthando nesithembu amehlo ephethe ntsho sifuna ukwazi into yoba Utata Umseleku is going to spend i-Valentine's with which wife? Now, of course, not so long ago, uMayeni ke ebe-trenda after a segment yakhe nomseleku apho ebefuna ukumcabuza, being all affectionate, and our viewers were saying, hey, Utata Umseleku is soulmate yakhe nguShibase, because we've never really seen him being so affectionate and lovey-dovey with the other wives. But when it comes to uMayeni and abantu abanye besithi into ba, hey, Utata Umseleku, when uMayeni or uMangwabe is happy, kusuke kugqityiwe. He doesn't really care about how the other wives feel, but when it comes to uMayeni and uMangwabe, hayi kusuke kugqityiwe ke sana. Anyways, izolo ke, or not izolo, but on Saturday, Utata Umseleku kuthiwa ebebona ke e-airport ebebhengeka noMayeni ehamba noMayeni. As a result, uye wamposta ke uMseleku, waposta uShibase on his Instagram account. Is very active there, and ebonisa into ba he spent his Valentine's Day no Shibase. Now, a lot of people were mocking my man this, my man that. Nyamazke my man this, my man that. Obviously. Reason being for the mocation, kaloku mtsha uSamke, Utata Umseleku has spent so many Valentines with all the other wives. Then since mtsha uSamke, people feel as though bekumele banguye expendwe naye i-Valentines okanye uMabrigado Brixtina uBrixtina ke sana kuthiwa was nowhere to be seen during this Valentine's, and a lot of people were just laughing at both Brixtina and my man this, my man that. Now, of course, there are some people that have just suggested into yoba Utata Umseleku makayenze kanje lento in order to avoid ukuhleba onondaba abebethetha ngabo. Why engavele xa kuyi-Valentine's aspende that particular day with all the wives, irrespective of whose turn it is that week? Why engavele ebabize bonke so that bonke bezofila special? So yeah, guys, nazo indaba ze-horror. Your thoughts? Maske se engage, and I'll see you shortly.